welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you already been here, welcome back. As y'all can see, I'm in a whole new different place because this is a whole new different type of video.
Hi.
It's my special guest.
That's where I come in.
I am at
SHEAR Necessities Hair Studio.
Period. That was one of the people that work here. That's my sister, y'all.
Hi. I date her brother.
And she do, yes. So today, y'all, we're gonna be planning some makeup, honey. Nah.
Listen. This pretty bitch right here already told me that she ain't never played with makeup before, and I don't believe that. I'm gonna be honest, I don't believe that shit. So
nah, it's shocking. It's shocking when you find out.
Yeah, really. Yeah. Because like you strike me as the type of girl like you play in makeup like that. Like
I know.
And see, I strike the type of people like I crawl out from under a bridge in the morning. So like but
Stop
I got a whole fucking caboodle right here, girl. Like
yeah, she got everything, honey. So yeah. So we're really just gonna try to do our little thug thizzle.
Yeah.
There's no really direction we have right now, but we're just gonna make it do what it do.
Yeah, we're just gonna play.
Yeah.
We're just gonna have fun. Talk it out. Let's see what happens.
Talk about it. Let me move this camera right here so y'all can see my girl.
I know I be trying to hide. I'm used to being behind the chair. So.
Ain't nothing wrong with it though, cause we need people like you. You hear me?
Right. Everyone's new to content creation here. So
yes.
It's creators helping creators. Tell a friend.
Period. Trying to figure out, honey.
Trying to figure out anything, girl.
Anything. Okay, so y'all, she just put me on to this. Oh wait, they ain't paying me.
Period.
Period.
Nobody got cut a check.
Right. Nobody on.
Everything that we're using, you can find at either Sally's, Ulta, or Sephora, bitch. That's all you need to know.
That's all you got to know.
All you need to know. That's all you need to know. If you hear the toddler in the background, that is my son. That's Henry, her nephew. Yes. He's trifling because he is out of crackers and he has already thrown his book in the floor. So
he is upset, honey.
Yeah. What's up, buddy?
Oh.
You wanna come be part of the video?
You wanna say hey?
You wanna come say hey?
Yeah. Say yeah. Look, he waving already.
Look. Can you see the people? Can you see the people? Can you say hey?
Say hey.
Can you wave? Wave to the camera. And look at the camera. Look up there. Look where Angie pointing. You see?
Say hey. Oh, it's okay.
At least you honest. At least you honest.
I be seeing these in the little videos.
We just expose me. I got all that.
Okay. So what's the difference between this foundation primer and this right here? It's the same thing?
It is. That one's supposed to be for pore defense. So like if you have deep or big pores, it's supposed to fill those in. But I personally like the other one better. So if you want to test them before you put them on your face, just put like a little dot of each one on the top of your hand and just kind of rub it in a little bit and see how the texture changes, because
y'all
look a little
look.
bit different.
That look like, whoa.
I told you it's like airbrush.
For real.
Yeah, like that is real life Photoshop.
Okay, so how you apply this? Do you apply that with this or just something?
I just use my fingers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever, I'm finna do that, girl. Okay, y'all see what I'm doing, son? Ain't even did nothing yet. I'm trying to get hype.
You gonna put some clear gel on your face.
Okay, so we just put the primer on there.
Yep.
So after you apply the primer,
Yeah.
what do people usually do after that? Is it foundation? I don't want to seem like I'm a copycat, but like I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm about to
let's just both do the same thing. So pick out what color palette you want to work with.
This the Jeffree.
Jeffree Star Cremated. It was before the scandal. Don't come for me.
Man, love to him. Love to him.
Swear, they're a whole different people now. Like
y'all, this is what we working with. This is stuff that you put on your eyes?
Yeah.
Wow. Oh girl. I want a natural look. Like, yeah. Okay, let me try sunrise. Okay.
I got this green headband on though.
I don't know. Can y'all see the difference? I don't really see much of a difference, but maybe I ain't put enough, but I ain't trying to look crazy now.
Do you feel like doing like content creation in itself like helps you with your confidence, or do you just kind of see it as like an outlet type of deal?
It definitely helps my confidence.
Yeah.
It's on a whole nother level now. Like,
Period. I love that.
Check my girl out.
Oh, girl, I look like a raccoon from far away. That's what we got so far.
So far.
You gotta trust the process.
Yes.
Make a look. I know you didn't. Look at your nephew.
Wait. Oh.
He is
Okay.
paid.
Let me get a little serious with the lip.
Put some elbow grease in it, girl.
Let me see.
There you go. There you go. When the powder start flying off the end, that's when you know. Oh, saddest day in the world. My nicotine died.
Who died?
My nicotine.
Oh.
My elf bar.
My nigga so and so. I'm like, who died?
No, just my elf
Girl.
bar.
I tried playing in makeup with a keyboard.
Yeah.
That was the last time I played the makeup.
I'm dead. Why?
Because I looked crazy. Like, you can tell it was me just playing in makeup. I don't know, maybe your girl is just too white, but I can barely see this in this camera.
It's the first time I've ever felt my ethnicity. Thank you. You better be telling me I glow in the dark and shit.
Hell no.
I'm so serious. You be roasting my ass, bro. Like, with love, with love. Like,
Nigga say it's pitch black and I can still see you.
yes, yes, yes. You are fluorescent, ho. Like, yes.
Okay, I'm done with the eyes. So
You're doing it.
y'all look. Do you see the difference? Cause I do. Oh, look.
Oh, look. Makeup is a feeling.
Feel the makeup, honey.
Feel the makeup. Be the brush, bitch. Be the brush.
Now, I don't know how this don't give you mad anxiety putting that thing like this.
Oh, I've been doing this for.
I can tell because you're just like, yeah, you know, the Met Gala girl on it.
Yeah.
I look like I got a black eye. Look.
Not a black eye. Kananikg. I turned my back for 2 seconds. I turned my back for 2 seconds. This bitch drawing straight lines on her shit.
I look beat the fuck up, y'all. This is not it. Look, y'all, she, man, yeah, she do this.
I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. I want you right up. I want to
Foundation. So it look like we dot that thing right there, dot it right here, maybe dot it on your nose, on your forehead, and then start blending.
Yeah, I just dot it around where I know I'm gonna need my coverage at, and as long as I get it on every pore, okay. I can only listen to the learning stuff for so long.
I look different.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do I look like Michael Jackson?
No.
I love Michael Jackson. I'm gonna get that out. I ain't gonna have to.
Leave it in. Leave it in. Leave it in.
Oh my god.
She's on shit. It's okay. It's okay. We're gonna blend it out. We're gonna blend it out.
Whoa. I look mean.
Just see what shape your lips like. That's how you go from normal, we woke up like this lips to some DSLs. Like you yeah.
Y'all.
I'm dead.
You look so pretty.
Thanks.
And I look like, I don't know. Y'all, okay, hold on. I want to zoom in on your face, mama.
Yeah.
Look at him.
Young girl. She got a little contour.
Period. Contour a little dark on that, so we're going to have to blend that out a little bit.
Why are you looking like that? Let me get my brow kit.
Y'all want, okay, this side look on this side. This side look on this side.
I was just with you trying to feel fancy schmancy.
Like, you just go across it with the other end.
So what all are you trying to get into? Like what kind of brand you trying to build? Let's give it to me.
So, what you was describing with your with your being in the industry that you in, and how you felt like the best part is seeing people's reaction after you done with them, like putting a smile on their face.
Right.
So basically, that's like a form of you helping people.
Right.
So I wanted to be able to do the same thing. I want to touch a whole bunch of people, but in my own way by doing what I love to do. This was like another way of kind of putting my name out there in the entertainment industry.
Okay. Hear it.
So, but also I want to get into television.
Okay. So
Every-
like
really-
acting or like
I want to
hosting?
be behind the scenes, girl.
Ooh, okay.
Yes. Boy, if you, what the fuck is this? What is this? Wax? No. Thread? I'd be thread.
Oh, you be threading them?
Y'all look at me.
Okay.
Ooh.
For someone who doesn't typically play with makeup, you're not doing bad.
Oh, that was real
You're not
nice.
doing bad, girl. Great.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, look at her, y'all.
Boom. Your war paint.
Put some paint on your face. And spray it. Yes. You got to remember to spray.
It's the best part. It's the best part.
Yeah, y'all, this is what I done did in my face.
You what? I feel like you stopped halfway and just started watching me.
No cap, because I'm like, I don't need to mess up myself.
She's like, hold on, wait.
Yes, you look like you want to say yes, dog.
Yes. Derek, darling,
Where's the tea? Yes. Oh my God.
Our makeup. Just be hanging out.
Yes, get into
Get
it.
into it, bitch. This is. Yep. Bridge troll no more.
We can wrap that video up. Y'all
Right.
saw how that went.
Yeah. This is where we're at. So
Yes.
yeah.
Sheer necessity.
SHEAR Necessities Hair Studio. If you want to come join the fun, this is day-to-day buffoonery. So like, by all means, come join.
Yes, have fun, man.
Yeah.
Alright, man. Y'all like, subscribe, comment, share.
Yes.
Press the bell notification.
Yes.
Alright, man. Y'all be kind, be gracious, be kind to yourself, and be peace.